Hey there foodies! Today I have a fantastic recipe to share with you. A healthy homemade substitute for processed meat. So let's get cooking! Heat up some sesame oil in a pan and add minced ginger, garlic, and chicken. Cook everything until the chicken is fully cooked. Then season it with a bit of salt and black pepper. That's the basic, but sometimes I season it with soy sauce and chili flakes too. And voila! You've got tasty and nutritious chicken that you can store in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze for later use. But wait, it gets even better. You can serve it on so many ways. It's perfect over rice, mixed into fried rice or porridge, or even used as a protein in soups and stews. The options are endless. Use it freely like ham and sausage. And the best part? This recipe is incredibly versatile, so you can use any type of meat you like or even substitute it with tofu. That's right, I said tofu. You will see the link on the left side of your screen. Thanks for tuning in. 안녕.